Hello students, good morning. Myself Piyusha Patel from VPMP Polytechnic. Today we discuss the subject Engineering Physics. Unit name is SI Units and Measurement. Topic name is Numerical of Estimation of Error. From this topic students obtain accurate value with minimum error. The observations in mm that measure the diameter of a wire are as follows: 1.27, 1.25, 1.29, 1.30 and 1.28. Find relative and percentage error. એક તારનો વ્યાસ માપતા નીચે પ્રમાણેના અવલોકનો એમએમમાં મળે છે. 1.27, 1.25, 1.29, 1.30 and 1.28. તો સાપેક્ષ ત્રુટિ અને પ્રતિશત ત્રુટિ શોધો. Answer. First off, list out all the observations which are given. So, D1 is equal to 1.27, D2 is equal to 1.25, D3 is equal to 1.29, D4 is equal to 1.30 and D5 is equal to 1.28. Now first off calculate the true value. So number 1, true value. It is known as સરેરાશ મૂલ્ય equal to જેટલા બી ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન્સ આપેલા છે એમનું એડિશન ડિવાઇડેડ બાય નંબર ઓફ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન્સ. હિયર D1 પ્લસ D2 પ્લસ D3 D4 D5 divided by 5. Keep the value of D1, D2, D5. 1.27, 1.25, 1.29 plus 1.30 plus 1.28 divided by 5. Answer is 6.39 divided by 5. So 1.278 mm. Average value indicate as a D bar. So D bar similarly 1.28 mm. Now second step is find out the absolute error. So here number 2, absolute error is also known as નિરપેક્ષ ત્રુટિ. Absolute error is different for different reading. So delta D1 is equal to D bar minus D1 is equal to 1.28 minus 1.27 is equal to 0.01 mm. Now another delta D2, delta D3, delta D4 and delta D5 find directly. Not indicate means ki not necessary to derive the all the step like this type of. So delta D2 is equal to 0.03 mm. Delta D3 is equal to 1.28 minus 1.29. So delta D3 is equal to minus 0.01 mm. Delta D4 is equal to 1.28 minus 1.30 is equal to minus 0.02 mm. And delta D5 is equal to 0. Number 3 part is mean absolute error. Means સરેરાશ निरपेक्ष त्रुटि. So delta d bar is equal to mode of delta d1 plus mode of delta d2 plus mode of delta d3 plus mode of delta d4 mode of delta d5 divided by 5. By putting the value of delta d1 to delta d5 is equal to mode of 0.01 plus 0.03 plus mode of minus 0.02 plus mode of minus 0.01 plus mode of 0 divided by 5. જ્યારે મોડ રિમૂવ કરીએ ત્યારે પ્લસનું પ્લસ રહે અને માઇનસનું પ્લસ થઈ જાય. સો 0.01 plus 0.03 plus 0.02 plus 0.01 plus 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0.07 divided by 5 is equal to 0.014 mm. મળ્યું આપણને ડેલ્ટા ડી બાર. Now fourth step is to find out relative error. सापेक्ष त्रुटि. So del d bar is equal to delta d bar upon d bar is equal to 0.014 upon 1.28. Answer 0.0109 mm del d bar. Last step to find out percentage error. So fifth one is percentage error. એટલે કે प्रतिशत त्रुटि is equal to relative error multiply 100. એટલે કે સાપેક્ષ ત્રુટિ ગુણ્યા 100. So is equal to symbol is del d bar multiply 100 is equal to 0.0109 into 100 is equal to 1.09%. Our second numerical is percentage error in mass and radius of sphere are 0.3 and 0.4 respectively. Find out percentage error in the density of sphere. એક ગોળાના દ્રવ્યમાનના માપનમાં 0.3 અને ત્રિજ્યાના માપનમાં 0.4% ત્રુટિ છે, તો તેની ઘનતામાં प्रतिशत ત્રુટિ શોધો. So answer here m is equal to 0.3% plus or minus and r is equal to plus or minus 0.4%, and we find out the density is equal to how much. So density of a sphere, it is indicated as a d is equal to mass by volume. Mass is the m and volume is the v. Here not given the volume, so first of we find out the volume of a sphere. Volume એટલે કે ઘનફળ. So volume of a sphere v is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So relative error in volume means del V is equal to this one the constant term, એટલે આનું ડેરિવેશન થશે નહીં, એટલા માટે આપણે રેડિયસનું આપણે ડેરિવેશન કરીશું. તો હિયર 3 into delta r. Here sorry, in a absolute error. So relative error in volume is equal to delta V divided by V. So 3 into delta R upon R. This one the true value in a volume and here true value in a radius. અહીંયા આપણે જોઈશું કે માસમાં એરર છે 0.3 અને પર્સન્ટેજ ઓલવેઝ 100 ઉપર હોય. સો m is equal to 100 and del m is equal to 0.3 respectively. In the value of r is equal to 100 and del r is equal to 0.4. Here we indicate the formula number 1 and formula number 2. So relative error in density del D is equal to delta D upon D. So is equal to, from the equation 1, the relative error in mass delta m upon m plus delta V upon V. Here we get the value of volume. So here from the equation 2, delta V upon V is equal to 3 into delta R upon R. So here delta m upon m plus 3 into delta R upon R because of equations 2 is equal to, here delta m is equal to 0.3 and m is equal to 100. So here 0.3 upon 100 plus 3 into, here delta is equal to 0.4 upon 100. Now simplify this formula. 0.3 upon 100 plus 3 4s are 12. So 1.2 upon 100 is equal to, here 100 common, 0.3 plus 1.2 is equal to 1.5 upon 100 is equal to 0.015. Here del t. Now percentage error in density is equal to del D multiply 100 is equal to 0.015 multiply 100 is equal to 1.5 percentage. So percentage error in density is 1.5 percentage. By solving above numerical, I want to give you some practice numerical. The numerical number 1, z is equal to a cube into b cube, where a, b and z are physical quantities. If percentage error in a and b is 2% and 3% respectively, then determine percentage error in a z. એટલે કે z ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ a ક્યુબ ઇન્ટુ b ક્યુબ, જ્યાં a b અને z એ ભૌતિક રાશિઓ છે. જો a અને બીમાં પ્રતિશત ત્રુટિ 2% and 3% હોય તો ઝેડમાં ઉદ્ભવતી પ્રતિશત ત્રુટિ શોધો. I want to give you some hint. First of all, find out the relative error, means સાપેક્ષ ત્રુટિ. એટલે કે ઝેડમાં ઉદ્ભવતી સાપેક્ષ ત્રુટિ શોધો. તો તમે શું શોધશો? ડેલ ઝેડ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ડેલ્ટા ઝેડ અપોન ઝેડ, અને એનો આન્સર કેટલો આવશે? 1.15. Then find out from this, you can find out the percentage error. You can use the formula percentage error is equal to del z multiply 100. એટલે કે આ જે વેલ્યુ આવે એને તમારે 100 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાની, અને તમને આ આન્સર મળશે 15%. Second numerical is in an experiment of a simple pendulum. The observations of the periodic are 2.63 second, 2.56 second, 2.42 second, 2.71 second and 2.80 second. Then calculate the percentage error. I want to give you hint. First of you find out the true value. This one the a bar. Okay. Then the value of 2.62 second. Second one, you find out the absolute error, and absolute error is different for different reading. Then from there you can find out the mean absolute error, and delta a bar is equal to 0.107 second. Next step, you find out the relative error, એટલે કે સાપેક્ષ ત્રુટિ a is equal to given is 0.0408, and last one is the percentage error is here this one multiply with 100, then you give the percentage error equal to 4.08%. I want to explain the instruction in Gujarati, means સાદા લોલકના એક પ્રયોગમાં આવર્તકાળના અવલોકનો 2.63 સેકન્ડ, 2.56 સેકન્ડ, 2.42 સેકન્ડ, 2.71 સેકન્ડ and 2.81 સેકન્ડ છે. તો તેમાં ઉદ્ભવતી પ્રતિશત ત્રુટિ શોધો. Thank you for watching this video.